Hi there everyone. So today's video I'm going to be making egg rolls. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. So this is a very simple recipe. Let me just start with that. And the only ingredients you need some eggs and some potatoes, of course some spices and flour. I have some coriander here, but I also have some spices I add in later. I'll show you. Start off by peeling the potatoes, of course, and then you're going to boil them. Over here, I'm going to boil the eggs and the potatoes. The eggs boiled for around 10 minutes. I like them hard boiled, and the potatoes for around 15 or 20 minutes. I added in some salt to give it a little bit of taste and let them boil. Here I added in, the eggs were done, so I added in some cold water to cool them down, and then I was peeling them because then the potatoes were also almost done. First I added in the coriander and then mixed it well. If you don't have coriander, you don't have to use it, but I just love the taste of coriander, so I always have it for the smell and that taste. And then later I added in my mixed spices and some aromas. This is only to give my potatoes a taste, and you can use spices of your own taste. And then I went on mixing. I wanted them to really be mashed. I later found out that the fork was really going to take a long time, so I used the pounding stick that I have. And this helped because like it went 3 or 4 more times faster than when I was using the fork. As you can see, like I'm literally already done. After making the mashed potatoes, the next part was for me to mold my egg rolls. So I did make a mistake in the first step, which is this step here. As you can see, I'm molding the egg rolls. You add in your egg roll in the middle, and then you surround it with potatoes and make a ball-like shape. And then on top you add on the flour and you let it, like, put it aside, and then I continued the process. But I found out later that this was a mistake and I had to redo this whole recipe, or like this specific part, that I'm going to show you in the next clip, because I found out a technique that helped to have the potatoes hold together, because when I just did it like this, when it was time for deep frying, the potatoes just fell apart and it really didn't look good. Or it really, the taste was good because Musa tested them and said, oh, they really tasted good, but for me, the egg rolls, I knew they wasn't looking like egg rolls. So I'll just show you how it looked like, and then we go to the real thing. If you are having a bad day, just remember there is someone who shot a whole video and now everything is trash because there is no audio to the video. But anyways, we're going to continue. So one more thing I forgot to mention earlier while I was making the potatoes is it's okay to add in some flour while you mashing them. So I'm going to show you how to make your egg rolls, and they should all stick together so that when you deep fry them, so that like they don't come apart. So all you need for that to happen is some flour, some eggs. So what I'm basically going to do is to still have the potatoes like this, roll around my egg, dip it in these eggs like this, and then dip in the flour, because this will help it to stick together when we deep fry it. And we're just going to do this process, we repeat it, and before I transfer them in the pan, I'm going to first put them in the eggs again one more time, and we'll just repeat the process. So I'm going to deep fry my egg rolls, but first I'm going to put them in the eggs like this. So it's kind of 2 layers of these raw eggs. Roll it and into the pan. And then we repeat. I am not using a lot of oil, that's why I have to keep changing so that the egg rolls get fried on all sides. But if you have like a deep fryer and all that, probably it's okay if you just put them in. As for now, the egg rolls are done. I'm just going to transfer them on another plate and then I show you how they look inside. Oh my god, I cannot wait to taste this because this is also one of my childhood snacks or breakfast or lunch things. In school, like, they used to sell it. I don't remember the prices, but it was also one of those, considered to be one of those fancy foods. So here we go, our egg rolls are done and this is how they look inside. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much. See you next time.